back to Water for Seeds. I am your host, Mia Durr. This set of videos will be introducing and explaining the 5 properties of multiplication. Today we will be focusing on the associative property. The associative property shows us that 3 or more factors or numbers in a multiplication problem will result in the same product or answer regardless of how they are grouped. So here our formula for associative property is A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. Here in our example, we have 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to 2 times 3 times 4. They both equal 24, and you can work this out. But here I will show you an example. The associative property formula is A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. Now for this particular example, we're going to use the numbers 8, 2, and 4. 8 will be A, 2 will be B, and 4 will be C. This is just to help you visualize what happens when we replace those letter formulas with the actual numbers. Okay, so let's jump in. So for this formula, we're going to do 8 times 2 times 4, and we're going to see if it is equal to 8 times 2 times 4. So we're just trying to prove that it's equal to the same. We're trying to prove that it will come to the same product. Okay, so starting with 8 times 2, we know that 8 times 2 is 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So let's check formula on the right. On the right, working through the parentheses first, we have 2 times 4, which equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. So now we have proven that this formula works. Now, if you like, you can plug in any set of numbers. We can use the numbers 9, 1, and 3. Using our associative property formula, once again, we are going to plug in the next set of factors, which are 9, 1, and 3. So let's see what that looks like using our formula. A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. So here we're going to have 9 times 1 times 3, and we're going to see if it is equal to 9 times 1 times 3. So let's see if they're equal to the same product. We know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so let's see if on the right it is equal to the same product. So we know that we're going to work out the operation inside the parentheses first. So we know that 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And let me put my little multiplication symbol here. It's just for clarity purposes. So we know that 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Now you can rearrange these 3 factors in any way that you like. When you're utilizing 3 factors, 3 numbers, and you plug it into this associative property formula, you should get the same answer regardless of the way that the numbers are grouped. And that concludes our video for the associative property.